Spending on health care is a major expense for many families. And today, some of the biggest names in health care gathered in New York City to talk about the impact of the Affordable Care Act and what the new law means for families, their companies, and shareholders. Bertha Coombs has the story.
Executives at this year's Forbes Healthcare Summit say the launch of open enrollment for the Affordable Care Act on the federal exchange has clearly been problematic, but not a major concern for now.
I think as a brand, it certainly has not helped build brand credibility with the initial launch and execution. Long term, I think it's noise. I think it'll all settle out.
At CVS Caremark, which is taking an active role in helping its clients learn more about the new exchanges, they are finding customers confused and frustrated.
They're interested in what are their options, when do they have to sign up, how do they find out information, and of course they've heard a little bit about some glitches early on. We try to reassure them the insurance doesn't take effect till January.
But it's the continuing discord in Washington over health care that worries former Onyx Pharmaceuticals CEO Tony Coles, especially when it comes to funding for disease research.
These are dollars that go to invest in tomorrow. We've got to unlock what we can learn about the genome, for instance, in terms of cancer. We've made such great strides with HIV and AIDS, and we can do the same thing with cancer. But we've got to invest in research for the next 30 or 40 years.
Former Aetna CEO Ron Williams sees the showdown over Obamacare as a long-term problem.
I think this was a complicated bargain. It was a bargain that really only one side of the aisle participated in, and I think that issue is going to haunt us for quite some time.
Williams says it will likely take a couple of years of the Affordable Care Act actually being in place and people being covered before both sides come together to try to form some agreement on how to move forward. Bertha Coombs, Nightly Business Report, New York.